So in the next chapter is basic building blocks of C program. So what are the basic building blocks of C program? The first one is preprocessor command, and the next one is functions, and the next one is variables, and the next one is statements and expression and command lines. So what is command lines? The command lines are not executed by the compiler. It is just for the user references. Okay. So whatever command line is indicated by this slash star and end with slash star. So these are all the command lines which is for user understanding. It is not executed by the compiler. And the next one is preprocessor directive, which is also similar like C. So here start with this hash symbol indicates this is a preprocessor directive. Hash indicates this is a preprocessor directive which include what are the files required for that program. So here I included 𝐼OStream.h, that is I am included input output stream header files, whereas in the C we used stdio.h. In a C++ I am implemented 𝐼OStream.h. I am included 𝐼OStream.h. 𝐼OStream.h means input output stream header file. That is, in this 𝐼OStream.h you will consist of cout and cin functions. So where you are using printf and scanf, in this you are going to use cin and cout. That's it. And then main function starts. So this is main function, and then variable declaration integer equal to 5. So this is similar like a C only. So this is called as a statement and expression. So the basic building blocks of C program is, the first one is preprocessor command, and the next is function starts, and inside the function you are declaring the variables and statement expressions, and command lines, or which is used for user understanding, which is not compiled by the C++ compiler. So this is the basic building block of C++. And what are the tokens in C++? Tokens are nothing but a small unit of program. Small unit of program is called as a token. Okay. So in a program it consisting of small unit. For example, whatever you write the program, that will be consisting of this only. Okay, this you remember, you can write on your own. So a small unit of program is called as a token. What are tokens? That is keyword or identifier or comments or semicolon or white spaces. So you see in this program it is consisting of, here it is a keyword, void is a keyword, main is a keyword, okay, int is a data type, and then this is a space. So these are all, each and every individual unit is called as a token. So token is a small unit of program which is consisting of keyword or identifiers or comments or semicolon or white spaces. So first we will see what is keyword. Keyword is a reserved word to perform a particular specific task. To perform a specific task, we reserved a word, right? So main is a reserved word, okay, which indicates the system, that is the program starts from there. So keywords or reserved words to perform a specific task. And the next one is identifiers. Identifiers are name of variables. So name of the variable which should allows only A to Z or underscore or 0 to 9, and capital A to Z is also included in identifiers. For example, here you are declaring A equal to 5, right? So A is a variable. And the next one is comments. It is for just for our understanding, for user understand what is happening in this, what is A or S. So A is the value of student number or whatever it is. So you are just explaining about the program in a command line. So normally command line starts from slash star and star slash, okay. And double slash is used for a single command line, and slash star, this will be for multi command line. This will be used for multi command, and this one is for single command. And semicolon is a statement terminator. The statement is end with the semicolon. See, whatever you are right here, it is semicolon, right? This is also called as a token. So semicolon indicates that the statement is end here. The statement is end here, that is semicolon. And white spaces, so here you are giving the white spaces, right? Integer space a. So this white space is also considered as token. Okay, so token is a small unit of program which includes keywords, identifiers, comments, a semicolon and white spaces. That's it.